you know, you guys do know at this point. Sometimes your girl just pick all the pieces back up and shoot back up to existence. Let's not even get into it. Let's just get into the part where like you put your life back together. As my therapist would say, this happens to me a lot, but I always get myself out of it. Kudos to her because she's right. Your girl is up. I don't know why I look like I have like a French updo. I need to get my life together. I've not really been taking care of anything. I have book club tonight. Yes, it's been another month, if you can believe that. Time flies when you're not doing shit. I'm not hosting, thank God. And so I was like, I don't really want to look like this down the hatch. I'm stalling. I'm literally stalling because this is how badly I don't want to get in the shower. We're doing it. Okay, out of the shower. You already know the drill. I used my detox shampoo by The Way. I feel like the detox shampoo is really good for like getting rid of that and like hard water and just like nasty like product buildup that can sometimes make me brassy. So it's like really good for the blonde. And then I just went in with the leave-in conditioner. We're already making a dent. It also acts as a heat protectant. So it's like my hair is really silky, smooth and soft, but it's also when I get to the Dyson step, it's gonna be really great. And then what was in my hair when it was natural is I did the scalp serum over the weekend because I could like tell that like I needed it. And I got like one of those head massager things to really like massage it into my scalp, which is why my hair looks a little crazier, but it felt so good and 10 out of 10 recommend because now my hair feels so clean and so nice. My skin is so bad. Maybe I'll put some pimple patches on later. And I like to let my hair air dry for a while, especially if I can, if I don't have to like get ready in a rush, because then it just is like so much quicker, just like easier to blow dry. I put on lotion, so I'm gonna put on sweatpants, but I'm not gonna wear sweatpants all day. All clean, almost done with work for the day, prepping some questions for book club and placing a couple online orders. You guys know that I'm obsessed with The Way. This video is brought to you by Way. I'm getting in such a good hair care routine and I'm wildly impressed with myself. So don't forget that the way to healthy hair this season and beyond starts here. Go to theouai.com/Lauren Elizabeth for 15% off your entire order. That's 15% off your entire order at theway, theouai.com/Lauren Elizabeth. I recommend getting the detox shampoo, anti-dandruff shampoo, leave-in conditioner, scalp serum. Those are my faves. And I will see you guys tomorrow. It's the next day. I woke up at 7:30, which usually isn't hard for me at all, but you know when you can just like feel like a slight itch in your throat, just so hyper aware. I'm like, no. But I went to Pilates for the first time, literally the first time like a class since I lived in California. My friend made me go and I loved it. That's why you need a friend to force you to go for the first time, like go with them, and then it's like easy. You know what you're doing. You're not showing up alone. Someone forces you to go and now you can just keep going. So I really loved it. So these are the two things that have been saving my life. Okay. The first thing is I got a pack of Factor meals. I'm sure you guys have like heard of it. A lot of people do it in my building, in other buildings like around here. So I have a lot of friends that have done it before and I just like haven't been in the mood to cook dinner. And when you just order so much food, it's like I'm wasting money and it's just like not healthy-ish. So I got ones that just like sounded good. So it's nothing like crazy healthy, but it's just the perfect like amount of food. And at first I was like, it doesn't look like a lot of food. It's filled me up the past 2 days. I got 6 of them. I ate mine yesterday for lunch and it was great because then I wasn't like starving by the time it was book club. Didn't have to think about lunch. They're actually really good. Like I like them and I'm pretty picky. I think I like them because they're not just like too healthy. It's not just like a salad or something. And then the other thing that's been saving me, overnight oats, obsessed. So I got a huge pack of mason jars from Target. Super inexpensive. I'll just do a cup of oats, a cup of like almond milk, maybe like a little bit more, cinnamon powder, ginger powder, chia seeds, hemp seeds, frozen fruit, and maple syrup. I actually put a little splash of vanilla in this one. I keep all my extra pouches under the sink in the guest bathroom because there's just like not as much storage as you think. I wanted to do that wellness up there, but it's just too high. But this whole shtick of like Factor, meal prep, overnight oats, smoothie, bars and snacks have really been making it easy for me to like not think and just have good food, easy, ready to go that I really like eating. This is what it looks like. Really yummy with the maple syrup and the vanilla. You can definitely tell. A little sweeter in a good way than my ones were last week. And I did like a little extra milk. You can kind of see that there's like an extra splash in there. Usually I'll obviously go in and work in the office, but since I can just tell that I feel way more tired than usual and have that tickle, got the vitamin C, I'm just gonna work on the couch. Finally, after probably over a year, got an Amazon storefront. I was banned and like blocked for, I guess, like some like copyright thing on my Instagram years ago, which is like probably from when I was 18 years old. Finally harassed enough people. I have an Amazon storefront. I just thought of something to look on Amazon, so I'm gonna go and update my Amazon with books and a couple wellness things I'm about to order. I have 2 live events this month. Well, not this month, but next month, in a week from when you're watching this. I have one on March 7th and one on March 27th, both in Chicago. So I just kind of got all that stuff sorted yesterday too. I feel like, you know, it's raining. We're gonna work on the couch on the computer. I just remembered it's Ash Wednesday, so I gotta get up and go get ashes and pray really quick. Does anyone else have ADHD and like sometimes just like not feel like taking their medicine? The one side of your brain is like, I don't want it. But then you take it and you're like, oh, it's fine and I needed it. And you know that, and you have so much evidence of that, yet you still, like every morning, you're like, I don't really feel like taking it. So this is me forcing myself. Here we go. I'm telling you, if I don't sleep with my humidifier on blast, just sinus pressure headache from it being so dry. This is the La Colombe. My boyfriend's on a meeting. That's my office. You're supposed to be normal and like go into an office. I feel like I was talking to someone about this the other day where it's like, I always like wanted to live with a boyfriend. Now that I'm actually going to be living with my boyfriend when my lease is up, it was always this like unattainable goal. And now it's like super attainable. And I'm like, we need a lot more space if this is gonna work full time. I've just gotten really realistic this year. This is what we're working with right now. We have my coffee. This is the Dave's brand of bagels, so it doesn't feel like super unhealthy in a sense of like, I just don't feel like there's like chemicals and like crap in it. Like I know that it's a nicely made bagel with some organic cream cheese. Got my little work shtick going on there. A little water. There we go. What is it, boo?
Are you gonna come sit in the other room with me?
Yeah, why? What are you doing in there?
I'm gonna play the game for 15 minutes.
Wow.
Are you videoing?
Look at the boo.
Oh, wait.
I have an embarrassing thing. I had this thought that toddlers like really know what they're doing and boys play video games. So like I play games on my iPad. Is it a good use of my time? No. Is it making me smarter? No. Is it entertaining me and giving me a slight hobby? For now. I also have a coloring book on my iPad and I do it with my Apple Pencil. So I do think that's actually good. I'm like not okay. So this is another app I got a while ago. It's called Imprint and it basically is like read a bunch of different stuff and it's almost like short books. It has like graphics and it just kind of makes it more, I don't know, digital friendly. Pretty cool, the concept of it. I thought it could be a cool way to like learn different things without having to buy like tons of books, you know what I mean? Something not cute is going on with my skin. I'm gonna eat a banana just because I need to get something in my system right away. And then I keep forgetting that I want to do more lemon water. So I saw it when I grabbed my banana. Obsessed with these for water too. I know you're not really supposed to drink cold water, but you don't have time for that right now. I like putting the lemon juice that nice. Or else it's like not cold, it's room temperature. I also got this from the store. Sometimes I'll pour like a ginger shot from like the Trader Joe's ones into here. Organic ginger squeeze blend. It's water, ginger juice, lemon juice, citric acid. So it's not like there's any hidden ingredients, but I already have some lemon in there. So it wasn't expensive for how like fancy it looks. Now we get on the computer. I'm so dry. I'm so disgusting. Oh my God. Here are the few of the Amazon things I got. I finally caved and got these things that make you not get the water all over yourself when you wash your face. And honestly, I need this so bad, but I've just refused to buy them. This is my favorite shape of sleep mask, but I didn't want to buy a really expensive one. So got this silk one on Amazon. And then I got this little pill holder for supplements and stuff like that. And I like how it's magnetic. I thought it was pretty cool. So it's all my storefront. Outfit of the night, Friday. I'm wearing these new sweatpants from B-Rule, Kenzie Burke's brand. They're like so nicely made. I got a medium for like an oversized look and they're a little long on me and I have really long legs, but they fit really nice. And then I'm wearing my, oh, that's my headphones, Walmart men's shirt, Aritzia socks, and I'm just gonna go to my friend's to chill with her and get an early dinner. And then we're celebrating my boyfriend's birthday tomorrow, so we're doing like a kind of like a Top Golf situation and going out to dinner, which will be really fun. So I decided not to wash my hair. I just rinsed my body off because I want to just shower in the morning, and I haven't literally done a full face of makeup in a could not even tell you. So I was like, you know what? Tomorrow we'll like shower, we'll actually do a full glam situation, a little mood boost. But tonight we stay cozy. We stay cozy.